Here are our composition functions. There's the notation. We've defined f of g of x and g of f of x. That's how we say that. Um, and that just means we're going to plug one function into the other one. So our first one we're going to find is f of g of x. And we look and say which one's on the inside. So since the g of x is on the inside right here, we're going to put our g of x function inside the f function. And it's going to go inside where the x is. So we write our f function as f, and since we hit that x, it's a horrible 5. So instead of the x, we're going to write our other function, which is 2x plus 3. And then our exponent is the negative first power. So we did put the g function inside the f function, and now let's just make sure it's simplified. And we have this negative exponent, which means something has to go to the bottom. And we're taking the negative exponent of what's just in parentheses, the 2x plus 3. So that actually is going to go to the bottom. The 5 has a positive exponent, so that will stay on top. So we have 5 over 2x plus 3, and now it's to the first power. So there's our first composition. Now the other composition has us doing g of f of x, so it's just in the other direction. And now what we notice is that the f function is inside, so we're going to take our f function and put it inside the g function. So our f function is 5x to the negative first power. Put it inside the x of the g function. So 2 times, instead of the x, we'll write the f function, 5x to the negative first, plus 3. Now, how do we simplify this? We have 2 times 5 times x to the negative first. Since there's no exponent out here, this is just 2 times 5 times x to the negative 1. So we can multiply 2 times 5 and get 10. X to the negative first plus 3. Now if we had something out here like squared or cubed or whatever, then we couldn't touch anything inside our exponent until we dealt with that, inside the parentheses till we dealt with the exponent. But we don't, so we don't have to worry about that. Now last thing, we do have a negative exponent, which means that has to go to the bottom of our fraction. So we have 10 over x to the positive first power plus 3. So there is our g of f of x composition.